Order of operations and complex fractions. Well, this is an interesting mug. The first word on that mug is please, then excuse, then my and dear, and then Aunt and Sally. Okay? That says parentheses comes first, then exponents, then multiplications and divisions, then additions and subtractions. Now for multiplications and divisions, they are at the same level. One's not higher than the other. So if you have a choice of multiplying or dividing, we will do from left to right. But it does say if you have a choice of multiplying and dividing or adding, we do addition last. Let's get an example. Okay, we have an addition, a division, and a multiplication. So addition comes last. So I have a choice now of dividing or multiplying. And this didn't tell me because this is on the same level. So we go from left to right. So we take care of division first. All right, addition is last, and then we're going to have 2/3, going to keep, and then we're going to change this to a multiplication, and we're going to flip from 1/2 to 2/1. So that's the keep, change, flip. Keep to 2/3, change from division to multiplication, and flip the 1/2. Copy the 5/12 down. Now we're going to go from left to right in here. We're going to multiply 2 times 2 and 3 times 1. So we're going to group the numerators and group the denominators. So we'll have 1/9. We're going to have one fraction out here with 2 times 2 on the top, 3 times 1 on the bottom, and then we have our 5/12. Okay? Now 2 times 2 is what? 4. 3 times 1 is 3. So we replace this with 4/3. That times my other fraction. Okay, copy that up here. All right. Now we're going to have 4 times 5 and 3 times 12. 4 times 5, 3 times 12, and now we can reduce the 4 and the 12. We're going to divide both of these numbers by 4. 4 divided by 4 is 1. 12 divided by 4 is 3. Okay, so you end up with 1/9 plus, and I'm going to have my two numerators here, the 1 and the 5, and the 3 and the 3 for the bottom. So now I have 1/9 plus, and 1 times 5 is 5, 3 times 3 is 9. That gives me a grand total with these two like fractions. I'm going to have another like fraction with a numerator of 1 plus 5, which is 6. I'm going to divide 6 and 9 by the common factor. What number goes into both of those? 3. Okay. If I divide 6 by 3, 6 divided by 3 is 2. 9 divided by 3 is 3. Final answer, 2/3.